Many people rely on Sun Tran to get to and from work and school. They ride Sun Tran for lots of reasons.
At Watershed Management Group, where I work, we have a program to encourage our employees to use the bus and other modes of alternative transportation. And we actually give everyone a SunGo card when they start work with us. And what's really cool is that we keep that SunGo card charged up so that they can have unlimited free rides, whether it's for work or for personal use. And the reason we did that is because we really want to encourage our staff to get out of their car, reduce those emissions, and support the public transportation system. And that's part of walking the talk. We're an environmental organization and we want to have a healthy watershed. We encourage a lot of water conservation and green infrastructure, but part of that also is clean air.
50,000 trips every weekday. Sun Tran can get you there. Sun Tran keeps Tucson working.